a table showing the progression of events from the time of fertilization till the birth of the young one. This is the period of pregnancy. These are the major events. Week 1, that is immediately after fertilization, beginning of cleavage, embryo reaching the uterus. Between days 7 and 9, implantation of the embryo into the uterine wall. At the end of week 2, gastrulation would have been completed, and you can see the formation of 3 primary germ layers: outer ectoderm, middle mesoderm, and inner endoderm. At the end of week 3, menstrual cycle stops, and this is the first sign of pregnancy. Organogenesis would have started. I told you some time back that the first process of organogenesis is formation of nerve cord, neurulation. So neurulation will be in progress. Week 4, formation of heart, blood vessels, and alimentary canal. Week 5, differentiation of the nerve cord into brain and spinal cord, appearance of limb buds. Week 6, formation of sense organs, particularly eyes and ears. Week 7, all major internal organs are almost formed, and you can also see the formation of digits, hand and feet. Week 12, all organs are fully formed in the embryo. Week 20, growth of hair, eyebrow, eyelashes, nails, etc. Embryo starts exhibiting, the fetus starts exhibiting movements inside the uterus. These movements can be felt by the mother. Week 24, eyelids open, movements become much more active. Week 26, most of the development is completed. In some cases, the child may be born premature. Week 28, vigorous movements can be observed and felt by the mother. Responses to stimuli such as sound, touch, etc. can be felt. Week 30, fixation of the head. Head starts getting fixed downwards. The young one is ready to be born, and in the week 40, there is birth of the young one. So this is the sequence of development in the human embryo.